Hello, children. How are you all? I hope everyone is doing good. Stay home, stay safe. Now we're going to start grade 6 maths section 15. Now we're going to learn unitary method. Let me see it. This is Aman. He went to stationery shop and bought 5 pens for rupees 75. Now can you tell what is the cost of 3 pens? It may be some difficult to solve it. I am right. But we can do it. How? Find out the price of 1 pen. Then cost of 5 pence equal to rupees 75. Now what is the cost of 1 pen? 1 pen equal to 75 divided by 5. So the cost of 1 pen equal to rupees 15. Now we know the cost of 1 pen equal to rupees 15. Now what is the cost of 3 pence? It should be 3 times 15. 3 into 15. The answer is rupees 45. Now let me see how was the problem solved. First we found the cost of 1 pen. Then we found the cost of 3 pens. So it is called unitary method. Where find the value of 1 unit, find the value of required number of units. Now we going to see our book back examples. Example 3.8. Pari went to buy 5 tennis balls from a sports shop. If a dozen ball costs rupees 180, how much should Pari pay to buy 5 balls? Okay, Pari went to buy 5 tennis ball. Okay, tennis balls போய் வாங்கிறதுக்கு போயிருக்கான். Okay, in sports shop. 1 dozen ball cost is rupees 180, but Pari going to buy only 5 balls. 1 dozen means 12. I am right. So 12 balls rate is rupees 180. He need only the 5 balls. So we want to find out the 5 balls cost. Okay, now see the solution by unitary method. We can going to solve this problem. Okay, now what is the cost of dozen balls? The cost of dozen balls is 180 rupees. 180. Cost of 12 balls. Dozen means 12 only. I already said you. So 12 balls equal to 180. We need first we want to find out the 1 ball rate how much. Okay, then only we going to find out the 5 balls. Okay, now we are going to find out the cost of 1 balls. Cost of 1 ball equal to 180 divided by 12. Why I am writing here 12 means 180 is the 12 ball rate. 12 balls or rate the 180. So 180 divided by 12 we going to cancel means 12 ones are 12, 12 15s are 180. So the cost of 1 ball equal to rupees 15. Now we know the cost of 1 ball, but we want to find out the cost of 5 balls. So cost of 5 balls equal to 5 into 15 equal to 75. Hence Pari has to pay rupees 75 for 5 balls. 1 ball oda rate 15. So 5 ball oda rate 75. Now we are going to see the another example. Example 3.9. A heater uses 3 units of electricity in 40 minutes. how many units does it consume in 2 hours? Okay, 3 unit ஓட electricity 3 unit வந்து போதான் ஹீட்டருக்கு எவ்வளோ மினிட்ஸ்லனா 40 மினிட்ஸில். ஸோ 2 ஹவர்ஸில் எவ்வளோ யூனிட்ஸ் வந்து போகுது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நம்ம ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணணும். Now we going to see the solution by using the unitary method. Okay, now 40 minutes electricity used. 40 minutesல எவ்வளோ electricity they used மா 3 units. Okay, so 40 minutes 3 units means first we want to find out the 1 minute. Okay, so 1 minute electricity used be equal to 3 by 40 units. Okay, 40 minutes 3 unit யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்கன்னா 1 மினிட்டுக்கு எவ்வளோ 3 by 40. Okay, now this is the 1 unit of electricity. Okay, here they asked for 2 hours. Already here and all they given minutes. Here only they gave hours. So in the hours நம்ம first என்ன பண்ணணும், we going to convert to the minutes. 1 minute equal to okay sorry 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. I am right. So 2 hours means how much? 60 into 2. Okay, so the answer is 120. So in 120 minutes, that means 2 hours electricity bill. So 1 minute ke evlo 3 by 40. 2 hours means multiplied 120. Now we going to cancel 0 0 cancel, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 3 3s are 9 unit. Thus the heater consumed 9 units of electricity in 2 hours. 9 units of electricity in 2 hours. Are you clear, children? Now we going to start with our exercise 3.3. In that exercise already we completed 6 sums. Now we going to see our 7th sum. Okay, see the 7th sum question. If a person read 20 pages of your book in 2 hours. Okay, 20 pages of your books in 2 hours. How many pages will he read in 8 hours at the same speed? Okay, 20 pages 2 ஹவர்ஸில் ரீட் பண்ணியிருக்கான். அதே ஸ்பீடில் 8 ஹவர்ஸில் how many pages he read? So that only they are asking. Okay, now we going to see the solution. Okay, see the solution now. Okay, now see the solution. Pages read in 2 hours. 2 hours how many pages they read ma? 20 pages. Okay, first we going to find out the 1 hour. Pages read in 1 hour. 1 hour equal to 20 by 2. We going to cancel means 1 hour how many pages he read ma? 10 pages. Okay, now what they asking? 8 hours how many pages he read? Okay, so pages will be read in 8 hours equal to 1 hour 10 pages. Now 8 hour how much? 8 into 10 80 pages. Number of pages will be read in 8 hours equal to 80 pages. 8 hour equal to 80 pages. Are you clear, children? Now we going to see our next sum. 8th question. Cholan walks 6 km in 1 hour at constant speed. Find the distance covered by him in 20 minutes at the same speed. Cholan is going to walk 6 km in 1 hour. Okay, in 1 hour the same speed. Constant means same speed only. Okay, now we going to find out the distance covered by him in 20 minutes at the same speed. 20 minutesல எவ்வளோ hours cover பண்ணியிருக்கான் distance. Okay, now that only we going to find out now. Now see the solution. Distance covered in 1 hour. 1 hour means how many minutes? 60 minutes. Okay, 1 hour or 60 minutes equal to 6 kilometer. Okay, so 1 hour means 6 kilometer. distance covered by 1 minute. 1 hour 60 minutes na 6 kilometer. Then 1 minute means how much? 6 by 60. 6 by 60. Okay, wow. 6 by 60 kilometer. Now they asking how we want to find out the distance covered in 20 minutes. So distance covered in 20 minutes. So 6 by 60 multiply 20. 6 by 60 multiply 20. So 0 0 cancel. 6 6 cancel. So what is the remaining is there? 2. So 2 by 1, that is the 2 kilometer. Cholan covered 2 kilometer in 20 minutes. This is the example 3.9, like that sum only. Okay ba? Now clear this sum. Now next ninth sum. The number of correct answer given by Karmugilan and Kavita in a quiz competition or with the ratio 10:11 if they had scored a total of 84 points in the competition. Then how much point did Kavita get? Okay, Karmugilan and Kavita, they both went to the quiz competition. They scored in ratio method only, 10:11. So the total point is 84. Now what they asking means how many points did Kavita get? Okay, Kavita எவ்வளோ பாயிண்ட்ஸ் மட்டும் வாங்கினா? ஓகேவா, போத் பாயிண்ட் இஸ் 84. பட் கவிதாவோட பாயிண்ட் என்ன அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு கேட்குறாங்க. ஓகேவா, நவ் see the solution here. Okay, correct answer given by Karmugilan and Kavita are in the ratio. Karmugilan and Kavita எவ்வளோ ஆன்சர்ஸ் கரெக்டாக சொல்லியிருக்காங்க? 10:11. 10 is the Karmugilan, 11 is the Kavita. Okay, now total of 84 point will be divided into total of 84.8. ரெண்டு பேரும் சேர்ந்து எடுத்தது 84 point. It will be divided into. So we want to add this ratio value first. Okay, 10 plus 11 equal to 21. This 21 is the equal for Karmugilan and Kavita. Okay, already this method you saw in your previous class, 5th standard. I know. Okay, now 10 plus 11 equal to 21. So 21 is the equal part. Now we know only the Kavita point. Okay, point scored by Kavita. So here 10 is the Karmugilan point and 11 is the Kavita point. Okay, so 11 divided by what is the equal part? 21. What is the total point here? 84. So 21 84 cancel panna. Here 1 time, this one is a 4 time. So 11 4 is a 44. Kavita scored 44 points in the quiz. Kavita எவ்வளோ பாயிண்ட் வாங்கியிருக்காலாம்? 44 பாயிண்ட் வந்து குவிஸில் வாங்கியிருக்கா. ஓகேவா, now next question, 10th. Karmegam made 54 runs in 9 overs and Ashif made 77 runs in 11 overs. Those run rate is better. ஓகேவா, ஸோ கார்முகிலன் வந்து 9 ஓவர்ஸில் 54 ரன்ஸ் எடுத்திருக்கான். ஆஷிஃப் வந்து 11 ஓவர்ஸில் 77 ரன் எடுத்திருக்கான். ஸோ விச் இஸ் த பெட்டர்? ஓகேவா, நவ் we going to see the solution here. Okay, here itself the question itself they given run rate equal to ratio of the run to the over. So run rate equal to ratio of runs to overs. Okay, first run rate of Karmegam run rate is how much? 54. 54 runs by 9 overs. So 9 ones are 9, 9 6 are 54. So Karmegam point is 6. Now Ashif point 77 runs and 11 overs. Okay, so this one is a 7. Cancel means 7 is the answer. So Ashif run rate is better. Okay, now we going to see in the Texas last sum. You purchase 6 apples for ₹90 and your friend purchase 5 apples for ₹70. those purchases whose purchase is better. நீங்கள் வந்து 6 apples 90 rupeesக்கு வாங்கியிருக்கீங்க, your friend 5 apples 70 rupeesக்கு 6 apples 90 rupees, your friend purchased 5 apples 70 rupees. So which is the better purchase? We going to find out now. So first we going to see our solution. Okay, now see our solution. In my purchase cost of 6 apples is 90 rupees. First we going to find out the 1 apple cost. So the cost of 1 apple equal to 90 by 60. So 6 table and 90 how much? 15 times. So cost of 1 apple equal to 15. In my friend purchase cost of 5 apple. 5 apple எவ்வளோக்கு வாங்கியிருக்கான் என்னோட ஃப்ரெண்டு? 70 rupeesக்கு. So cost of 1 apple equal to 70 by 50. We going to cancel means the answer is 14. 1 apple rate is 14. My friend purchase 1 apple is 14. My purchase rate is 15. So which is the better? My friend buy the lower price. My friend's purchase is a better to buy. I am right. That's all. Now we going to see objective type question. Now which of the following ratio are in proportion? Okay, so here which option is the proportion they asking? Option C. How means, see here 2:5 comma 10:25. So we going to multiply like this. Already I said, you know. Yes, 2 into 25 how much? 50. 5 into 10 how much? 50. So 50 is the equal. So it is the correct answer. Now if the ratio form using the numbers 2, 5, x, 20 in the same order or in proportion, then x is dash, they asking the x value. So 225x. So 5x equal to 2 multiply 20. 2 20s are 40. We need only the x value. So 40 by 5 equal to, we going to cancel means the answer is 8. Now if 7:5 is in proportion to x ratio 25, then x value the same. Here also they asking the value of x. Okay, so 5x 725. 5x equal to 7 into 25. 725 is 175 equal to, we need only the x value. X value means 175 by 5. We going to cancel means the answer is 35. The value of x is 35. If the Barbie doll cost 90 rupees, then the cost of the 3 such a doll is 1 Barbie doll cost 90. So 3 Barbie doll cost how much? 90 into 3 equal to 270. Okay, now if a man walk 2 kilometer in 15 minutes, then he will be walk dash kilometer in 45 minutes. 1 minute le evlo walk பண்றனா 2 by 15. Okay va, we going 15 minutes la 2 kilometers he is walking, but 1 minute means how much? First 1 minute he going to walk 2 by 15. They asking the 45 minutes. So 2 by 15 multiply 45. 51s are 15, 15 3s are 45. So 2 3s are 6. The answer is the 6. That's all students. Now what is unitary method? This method in which first we find the value of 1 unit and then the value of required number of unit is known as unitary method. For your homework is example 3.8 and 3.9 and x is 3.3, 7th sum to 11th sum. So totally 7 sums. Practice and write neatly in your subject note. Thank you.